today. Ito pong show na ito ngayong araw. Sobrang gagawin niyo lahat. Congratulations! All-star artists! And we want to say thank you for always watching and tuning in. We will give you the best every Sunday, so please support our Sunday All-Stars. Lucille and God bless all of you. We love you. Thank you.
Anong trip niya? Atakas si Bakla.